Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do some test shots on La Pavoni Professionals. These have the gauges. We did the complete La Pavoni maintenance, which is all the gaskets. We tightened the base, we calibrated the gauge, we cleaned everything up. Let's see how we did. Got a little water going into the chamber, and now let's see how our shot comes out. There you go. Nice little single shot. Real nice crema. Pressure held. Let's try the steam. Quick purge. I also lubricated that valve. Feels nice. Closes nice and tight. There you have it. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you. That's good. Yeah, nice shot.